Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to make your Steam account private, and now let's dive right in. Now to make your Steam account private, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account, as I have already logged into my Steam account over here. Now in order to proceed to make your Steam account private, after opening your Steam account over here, at the top right corner of the screen on this interface, you can see over here there is your username available with the drop down arrow. Click on your username with the drop down arrow at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see view my profile option available for us at the top of this list. Click on view my profile and you land on this interface where you can see again will be required to click on the edit profile option at the top right corner, where my mouse is hovering over here. Click on the edit profile and this kind of interface will appear on your Steam account. And again over here on this interface, here you can see the privacy setting at the left side of the screen. Click on the privacy setting where my mouse is hovering, and when you land on this interface, you can see guys, here it says my profile. Now in order to make your profile private, you can see it's currently on public. Click on that option where it says public, and you can see guys, here it says the friend only and private. If you want to make your account available to your friends, you can click on or choose the friends only button. If you want to make your account fully private only to you, click on the private button over here and it will be saved momentarily. And with that being done guys, your account will be made private on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.